So today we're here putting the 1000 grit sanding on this windshield. We went with 340 and then we stepped it up again, and then now we're at 1000 grit. Just trying to get some scratches out of this windshield and polish it back up for the gentleman. And right now all we're doing is we're using the DA sander and we're just sanding the windshield. So I'll just show you kind of the process on that. So the reason we're going side to side, back and forth, and then top to bottom, back and forth, is I'm not a body guy by no means. So if there's any chance of missing a spot going side to side, hopefully we're covering that going top to bottom on the windshield. So on that note, we'll get back with you on the next step.